and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would share with you some bits I got for my birthday and some new bits that I picked up. Because, you know, it was my birthday and I thought I'd pick up some stuff as well. And because I haven't had anything new to show you for ages, I thought this would be nice, you know, some nice news. So I'm going to start off with, this was from my mum for my birthday and oh my gosh, I love it. It's the Natasha Denona I Need a Warm palette. This is the first of anything that I've tried from her and nothing has really grabbed me bar this palette. Because I've been using the Stone Cold Fox for so long, which is so cool toned, I've just thought, you know, I need some warmer shades, but I don't like oranges and, you know, mauves. I like neutrals, and this palette gives you all of that. I mean, look at that. I've got it on today. And this is just what I'm talking about. I Need a Warm is so different from a normal warm palette, because you normally get like oranges and burgundies and plums. You know, think of Naked Heat. It's too red. This is more neutral toned. And it's got cool, it's got warm, it's got light, dark, it's got shimmers. It's got everything in it. And I love neutrals and shimmers. I love it. So today I've got on some of the, see those peachy tones, and then I've got, you can see where I've just made a dent in that today now. And it is gorgeous. I can't wait to play around with this. And the packaging is just stunning. And to be fair, I really needed a new eyeshadow palette. My eyeshadow palettes, I've had to throw away all of the Urban Decays because I've had them for like near on 10 years and they're like making my eyes sting and water. Even my Stone Cold Fox is just, the shadows aren't sticking anymore. Long gone are the days where you can like hold on to things for too long because they just kind of stop working. I think when something stops working, you need to replace it. And I haven't got any shades like this at all. And I loved the shades. I love these kind of shades. So I am going to do a blog post on this, but I am loving this. I Need a Warm, gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Then I got from my sister, I got this Natrium Photo Glow Lip Balm. Now, you know I love a lip balm. I love a lip balm. I cannot have too many lip balms. I am obsessed with a lip balm. I don't know why. And this one is called Latte. But look at the little thing on that. The fact that it's called Latte is just, I just had to have it. It's gorgeous. It comes out like so. I keep this one in my handbag. And it just leaves, oh, the spread. I don't think it smells of anything. It says you can also use it as an overnight, oh, just cleaned my towel, I'm gonna wipe my fingers on it. It says you can also leave it as an overnight lip balm. I just love things like this. So I'm really enjoying that. She also got me a candle. It's called The Cozy Tea Lounge. Look at that. I mean, is that just not me? Like, yeah, that's, you know, how I'd dress to a tea party, if I could. And it smells of, I think it smells like vanilla. I don't know what the smell is. I think it's, oh no, it says it here, silly Billy. It says, scented with luscious vanilla and floral musk. I just love that, that's so cute. So I just put that here next to my lovely brown pumpkin. Got that from Poundland. Loving. So, yeah. Okay, then what did I get next? Oh, I got Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Fair, because from what I've read, it's more of a cool tone. If you look at the differences there, that's Pillow Talk and this is Pillow Talk Fair. This is giving me Too Faced Lip Plumper Puffy Nude, the one that I like, it's giving me that vibe. Do you see? It's got that lovely kind of cool tone nude, which I really, really like. If you compare it with the Charlotte Tilbury, look at this little stump. I needed that. I'm all about things that I need to replace. Can you see? So that's Pillow Talk Normal and that's Fair. So you can see it's a little bit more neutral. And I was hoping the lipstick would do the same thing, but the lipstick is really pale. So that's Pillow Talk Fair. And if I put it next to the lip liner, you can see it's quite pink. But when I put it on the lips, it's not as strong as I'd like it. But it might be, it's a nice one for like every day when you just want to have a lip on. But that's, do you know? It's kind of, Kim KW is probably a little bit lighter. Got something else mixed on this. Sorry, there's Kim KW. It's more, she's more cool, I don't know. I feel like it's quite light compared to, I've got this mixed with something else on top, but you can see it's quite light. Compared to this, oh no, this is more pink and this is more nude. Okay, right, fine, fair dues. I just thought it'd be a nice one to put on every day. Then I bought a new pair of eyelash curlers because my eyelash curlers are ripping out my lashes. This is the Shiseido ones. I've had them for years now and they're just very, very loose, but they're ripping out my lashes. I've cleaned them, I've changed the rubber. Look, you can see an eyelash in there. So I decided to get a new pair, and Cult Beauty, when they do like, you know, £20 off every £100, I got a very good discount. This is the Surratt, and I think like the shape of it's really nice, but it's really, you know, it really gives a good squeeze on the eyelashes. And it comes in a nice little pouch like this. And so far so good. I think I've gone to the conclusion where you've got to replace things after a while, you know, when they start not working as well as they should. Then I think you've got to get to a point where you've got to replace them, and there's nothing wrong with that. Okay, then, oh, I got a new perfume. Oh my goodness. This has been my favourite for many a year. Trish McEvoy No. 9. I have loved this since 2008. Yeah, I have. Since actually, no, earlier than that. Because I was in Harvey Nichols. I was working in Harvey Nichols well before that. 2006? Maybe 2006, when I was working there, and I was on the Lankham counter and Trish McEvoy was just opposite us. And this fragrance, I still love it. I still love it to this day. My lovely hubby got this for me for my birthday and I just adore it. It's called Blackberry No. 9 and it's blackberry and vanilla musk. I love anything blackberry. Anything blackberry and vanilla. But this is just like a warm, fruity, sweet scent. It is just gorgeous. I love it. I know that Glossier has come out with 2 new scents, so I'm going to buy my usual Glossier U because I love that come November, and hopefully get the 2 samples because I want to try the samples, because the white one, there's like a gourmandy one, and then there's a white one that's got like frankincense. Oh my gosh, frankincense, myrrh, anything like that, I love it. I love the smell of inside a church. Yeah, I just like it. Anyway, so that's lovely, and I keep it in its little book box. So it's juice. Its juice stays nice. I love this fragrance. If you love blackberry, they did another version after that, which was called Sexy No. 9. Not as good as this. And any of their other ones, yeah, you might, kind of like fresh, but blackberry, if it's got blackberry on it, I want it, I need it. I love it. Okay. Now, the next thing I've picked up, this is just stuff I've ordered. I haven't used them yet. I want to start using a retinol, so I've picked up the Medicate. When something's on sale, this has been in my basket for months, and I've waited till Cult Beauty has given me, what is going on out there? Hang on. No. It's like Piccadilly Circus outside. It's a Tuesday morning, can we not? Then once Cult Beauty gives a good deal, then I do my purchases. That's how I do it, okay? And I've picked up the Medicate Crystal Retinol 3, which is for like first time users. So I'm going to start trying this. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm going to, because I don't want to do the Botox anymore. I think it's like the whole thing about it. I mean, I'm going to do a whole nother thing on this about cosmetic procedures. Like, the world's gone mad. The world has gone mad. And, you know, so I don't want to, every time I've gone to do it, the last time was just before my wedding, I felt uncomfortable about it. I felt uncomfortable with the price of it. I felt uncomfortable having it done. And I just don't like how these cosmetic companies make you feel like you need to do these things. And the people in the cosmetic place don't look brilliant themselves. And I saw a little, I saw like you know how companies put Instagram, funny things on Instagram, you know, these little reels and skits. And it was for a aesthetic clinic that's just opened up. And they were all sitting there bored, all the girls, and they wrote something like, oh, please come in and get your procedures because we're bored and we have nothing to do. And I really wanted to comment saying, maybe it's because people have actually woken up to the idea and thought, do you know what? I don't need a face full of filler. Yeah? Perhaps I'm happy spending that elsewhere on a nice new winter coat, or getting my hair done, or, you know, eating nutritious meals. Perhaps that's why your clinic is empty. Anyway, to go with that, I got a night cream, and this is the Advanced Night Cream Rejuvenating Ceramide. It had really good, it just sounded really good. I thought, I need a good night cream, you know, let's just start with this. So I'm going to keep you updated with Medicate. I've never tried it before. I'll be interested to try it. It sounds good. So yeah, but I just wanted to show you now what I got. Then I picked up another deodorant. Another thing I'm obsessed with, deodorants. As you will, if you know, I love a deodorant. I'm insane. I love a frigging deodorant. But not just that. I have seen, they have not sent this to me. I wish they had, because I had to pay for it. I've wanted to try Wild so many times, okay? And I've never really been swayed. But they came out with an autumnal scent, Autumn Leaves. Now, I'm an autumn girl. I cannot resist anything autumnal. If you're telling me this is Autumn Leaves, then I have to have it. Anyway, I managed to get it on a very good deal. I think I got this for like £9. I got the case and one of the little fillings. What I do with these subscription things is I will order at the lowest subscription price, right? Then I will wait for my product and then I'll cancel the subscription. Because the last thing you want is a million subscriptions. And everything at the moment is subscription. Subscribe to coffee, subscribe to this, subscribe. And you end up with so many subscriptions, £20 here, £10 here, £12 here. You know, you don't see it coming out of your account. And most of the time, these stuff lasts longer than every 3 weeks or every 4 weeks or every 6 weeks. So I'm really I would urge you to go through your subscriptions. Anyway, you always have the option to cancel it. So get it at the cheaper price and then cancel it. Now, this is the shade. This is what it looks like. Oh my God. The smell of this Autumn Leaves. This is oh God, why can't I think of the word? Limited edition scent. Also, bear in mind, these are natural deodorants and they come in 2 forms. They come in the normal and sensitive. If, like me, you've not got on with natural deodorants and it's caused you a rash, that's the baking soda in it. So opt for the sensitive. I used to buy those native deodorants and they used to give me a rash. Then I read up on it and it's the baking soda. So they have a sensitive option. So that's what I've picked, and it hasn't given me a rash. I love the size and shape of this because it fits right under your armpit. You know, when you have the other ones as a little ball, you're like, ooh. Whereas this just goes in the space. You just move it up and down. That's it. There's no like, it's covering all areas. That's what I like about it. So you purchase your little tin like this, and you have little refills that you put on the bottom, and it goes like that. So you only just refill them, which is really good for the environment. You're not constantly buying packaging. And what's great is you can actually buy these refills in Boots. So that's why I cancelled the subscription, because listen, I'm not going to go through a deodorant in like 3 weeks. And I'm the sort of person, I'll get it when I want it. So I can just go into Boots and get a refill. They do lots of different scents. But this scent, it also has fig. So what I'm smelling in here is fig. Again, I love fig. There are certain things that are like blackcurrant, fig, wood. I love it. Had they not had this refill, I wouldn't have bought this. But I was intrigued to try it, and I really, really like it. It's really nice. So it is a good deodorant, and it does keep you, it's not going to keep you dry for 48 hours like other deodorants. It will keep you nice and fresh and dry for a day. And that's it, you know? But I do like it, you know? Then, is that everything? I think it is. I bought a pair of shoes. Now, I also bought this jumper. This is an Adenola. Love it. I'm in my brown era, as you can tell. I bought a pair of shoes. I have not worn these yet because it's been raining. But I will wear them at some point. So these are, I don't know what these are called. Adidas Maroon. Adidas Originals. So this is what it looks like. I just thought it's a really, again, burgundy. It's the colour for autumn. I love the bright laces. I saw Zoe Sugg wearing these and I was like, I've got to have them. This is what I'm like. I like to see something on somebody. That's what makes me buy something. I saw, if you were watching Strictly Results show this Sunday, Claudia Winkleman was wearing that gorgeous velvet dress. I've bought it. I found it and I've bought it and I got it at a good price. But let's see if it fits. You know, I just thought it's nice to have a nice dress, and that's, I like to buy things that I love. If I love it, I need it, I want it. I don't just buy things willy-nilly. So I thought these would be just nice with a grey pair of jeans, so I'm not constantly wearing my New Balance that kind of look trainery. These kind of look a little bit more shoey, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I like them. I've yet to wear them, but there we go. You know, it's nice to have these things at the ready, you know. I just thought with the grey jeans, it will look really nice and trendy. And even actually with this outfit, with the Adenola jumper, and I've got matching leggings to go with this, because half my things never match, and I've realised I've got to get things that match. So I think even with these, I've seen girls wear it with these and it looks really nice. So that's what I might do, but I don't want to wear it dog walking and muddy them up or raining. It's like if you're going to go out shopping for the day or out for a coffee or something, that's that. So that's it. Those were my birthday prezzies. Those are my bits and bobs that I've picked up. Let me know what you want to see or anything autumnal. This look I've done today, I was just trying out this eyeshadow palette. So, and I've got a lip concoction on, too many things on, because this was too pink, and lately I've been wearing a darker lip, so maybe that's just it. But anyway, yeah, I shall come to you with some favourites maybe. We'll see how it takes us. We'll see how we go, you know. Let's have a coffee and a chat next time. We haven't had a chat for ages. What's on the mind? What's the topics du jour, you know? So I hope you're having a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.